Ronaldo Cephas gone missing. The young Jamaican football player, now applying his trade in Turkey. People, thank you for joining us. Remember to hit the like button and remember to subscribe. As we can see, there's an article that came out in the Turkey today. It's about the Jamaican footballer Ronaldo Cephas. As he says, the footballer hasn't showed up. Turkish Super League club Ankara is grappling with uncertainty as the 24-year-old winger, our left winger, hasn't showed up to training or contacted anyone in the club. No, people, I cannot give you any guarantees. This is what I've seen in the papers, and you can go and read it for yourself. It says Turkey Today. It's a sports paper out of Turkey. They said the reports they've been unable to contact the player. Head coach as well, Arslan, expresses concern, stating that the team was expecting Cephas at their last game. They expected him to show up at the stadium. He didn't show up. However, they starting to raise alarm bells. The mysterious absence, they go on to say, the winger has sparked widespread speculations on social media. The fans and pundits questioning where is Ronaldo Cephas whereabouts. Is this, let me just throw a little wrench in there. Is this a conspiracy? Maybe Ronaldo Cephas want to change his club. Who knows? He's probably tired of it there. He's not getting a lot of playing time anymore, so he probably feels they don't believe in him. He has a really good agent, though, in Kevin, who I think will get him over the line eventually. But people, let me know what's going on with Cephas. Is this real? Is this real? They're saying the player is missing. That's a player that we're gonna need in the September window. I was hoping to see him. He's a really good player. People, remember to subscribe. Remember to like. Make we go and build a vibes. You don't know the thing set already. FSL, we're on here talking football daily, and it's just a little breaking news. You guys can go out there and do your research for yourself and drop your comment in the comment section.